Hey, smart people! Ever wondered if the solar system truly revolves around the sun? Sure, elementary school taught us that the sun is at the center of everything, and we live in a heliocentric world, right? Well, not entirely. In reality, things are a bit more complicated, thanks to Newton and his brilliant physics of motion. In 1687, Isaac Newton explained that for every action there's an equal and opposite reaction. This means that while the sun's gravity pulls on Earth, Earth also pulls back on the sun. Sounds wild? Let's break it down. Imagine a cosmic seesaw. This pull between objects creates a shared center of mass known as a barycenter. In our solar system, most planets orbit this invisible point, rather than the actual center of the sun. In fact, because Jupiter is so massive, the barycenter between it and the sun lies just outside the sun's surface. This brings us to Copernicus, who revolutionized cosmology with his heliocentric model. Before him, thinkers like Aristotle believed in a geocentric universe where everything orbited Earth. Fast forward to Galileo, who provided evidence with his telescope. And voila, the idea of a spinning Earth and orbiting planets became mainstream. But hold on, it doesn't stop there. If we zoom out further, we realize our entire solar system orbits the center of the Milky Way galaxy in a helical motion, like a cosmic vortex spiraling through space. This concept, explored by thinkers like Nassim Haramein, shows how interconnected everything is in unified physics. So why care about barycenters or this cosmic dance? It's because understanding these concepts helps us make precise predictions, whether it's sending probes to Jupiter, observing gravitational waves, or simply appreciating how beautiful space truly is. Stay curious and keep exploring science with us here on Global Education. If you love learning about astrophysics, resonance, and everything in between, hit that like button and subscribe.